When traveling to Switzerland, there are many things to do. However, if you are looking for something off the beaten path, something that's a bit weird, then you need to check out the H.R. Giger Museum Bar. Oh, you've never heard of it before? You have more likely seen his work though. He is one of the main people responsible for winning an Academy Award for his special effects work on the iconic movie Alien. He was also inducted into the Science Fiction Hall of Fame in 2013. Check out this Alien Bones bar in all its twisted glory. There are two Giger bars. One is located in Chur, Switzerland and was opened in 1992. The other is in Château Saint-Germain-Gruyère, Switzerland, and was opened in 2003. Both bars are themed after H.R. Giger's surrealist and biomechanical artwork. The entire interiors of both Giger bars were designed completely by Giger himself. The daylight reveals the intricacy and detail his interior design work consisted of. It doesn't look as quite frightening in the daylight though. Giger described his artwork in which there are many depictions of interconnected but cold relationships between man and machines as biomechanical. His style of artwork caught the eye of one of the original script writers for the movie Alien. He then convinced director Ridley Scott to take a look, and Scott was instantly impressed. Giger was brought onto the movie to design the creature simply called Alien. He was also involved in the creation of various other parts of the movie, including the baby aliens. His art style is truly one of a kind. This is reflected in the bars that he designed. The lighting is absolutely key to bringing out all the dimensions and details of this amazing piece of design work.